guys, welcome back to Learn to Code, and today's video is about how to imagine the world in Here's Scratch Online Editor. So some might be true, but some might be not true because we're imagining the world, not in real life. What we're doing in Scratch Online Editor. So not in real life, since not in real life, this might be not true, but some might be true, maybe, but some might be not true. So we're going 8 taps, and you might be wondering, why are these here? Just 1 tap is enough. No, because today I'm showing how to make 8 projects in here. But you might be wondering, 8 projects, it might be like so long. Like, yeah, it might take long, but these 8 projects are very, 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 very short project. So I think it might not take very long. But it might take like for 20 minutes or a little bit long. I don't know. Or shorter or longer. I don't really know, but it's between 20 to 30 minutes or a half hour. Yeah, so I think this video will show you how you can use all of these blocks. I want to say why I made a project in here, because this video, like in other video, I'll like make you like games, or I'm showing you like make like games or hard projects, and every video it can be harder and harder and harder and harder. So it might be a little bit harder and harder. So we want to make sure that we know all the blocks. Yeah, but like when I show you guys, I can show you guys, but the thing is you can't think anymore. So I want to make sure that you know every single word, how it's word, and I will try my best to know about these blocks, like to use mostly blocks, and to use most blocks I make 8 projects, 8 tabs right in here, and I always choose the sprite and background because it might take a few times. Yeah, you guys already know how to choose a sprite and backdrop, and yeah. So I'm not showing you anymore, but that's okay. But like this, like sprite making, this like know about the block is very important. Block is the one of the important part in Scratch Online Editor. So like if you didn't know about that, you can't command anymore to the computer, so computer can understand. You can talk. You can talk, but you will need to use these blocks. Okay. You can talk to computer, and computer will never make it. So we want to make sure that we know every single block in here, so then we can make a cool project. It's gonna be so cool, and also understand how we're making. And you can also share to your friends in Scratch Online Editor. Just press this Scratch share button, and I'll also make a video about that. Yeah, and if you haven't checked out the how to make the name in Scratch Online Editor, go and check it out. I put the link in the description box below, and I actually can't post that video on Monday for the right date. So Monday is the right date, and I'll also tell you guys about I always post the video on every Monday and Thursday, but actually I can't post it because I have a busy week and I need to post it on Wednesday. So yeah, I post it on Wednesday. So sorry about that, but yeah, if you haven't checked out that, go and check it out. But finish this video first because this will make you understand. And I'm sure that you will know so many new things after this video. And I also hope this happen like that. Yeah, and I'm sure that it will happen. So we got 8 taps, and it might take a few time, but that's okay. So if you haven't subscribed to Learn to Code channel, go and subscribe. Hit that subscribe button, like button, and notification button, so you'll never miss any of my videos, just like video like this. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing, I want to introduce the tab so you can know about what we're making. So the first thing, I got the Scratch icon, which is the cat, and I also choose a backdrop. Next one is the butterfly, and this is like a social player called Ben. Next one, I got a hedgehog. And this one I got a rooster. And alright, what we're imagining about. Yeah. We live We're imagining about the art. Yeah, we live in the world, which is the art. Are we imagining about Mars? No. Mercury? No. Just art, not Pluto anymore. So next one, I also got this very cool instrument. I don't really know what is it, but it's called Drawn Tabla. I don't really know what is that, but it looks so cool. Next one I got a people called Avery. Very interesting name. So we got 8 tabs, and I hope that I can start it now. So I didn't want to waste so many time, so let's get started. So the first thing we're gonna imagine the cat, and I think this is gonna be not the true thing that happened because right now I am imagining the cat to talk. Does the cat talk? Maybe in the language, but I don't understand that. Not with English. So I think it's cool, but not might be true, you know. So, and I'll also tell you, like, about when I finished every short project, I will tell you what you learn about the new things, okay? And I hope you also understand about that. So the first thing, we're going to go to events and get one green flag clicked. And here we're going to go to looks palette and get say hello for 2 seconds. And here, like, if you didn't want to make 2 seconds, that's okay. I'm going to make 2 seconds. I think I'm going to keep the hello one. And then we're going to say another thing here. Let's say imagine, because what we're doing, we're imagining the world. So imagine if, and I'm gonna do dot dot dot. I don't really know. I mean, okay. So let's try it. How does it work? And remember, one green flag click, we're gonna make the screen more bigger. So let's see how it works. One green flag click. I'm trying to make faster and faster. If you didn't understand, watch this video so many times. Hello. Imagine if. Actually, did I do the round spelling? Yeah. So I did the round spelling. Yeah, it's gonna be right because I think like imagining. I don't really know what is that, but hello. Imagine if. Now, is the spelling is right? Yeah, it's right now. So that's pretty good. And sorry if I'm so fast because I'm making the video so quick because this video gonna be like making like a project. It might take like for a while. Yeah, so if you didn't understand, you can watch it back, okay? So we got one green flag click, say hello for 2 seconds, say imagine if. So now time to tell you what you learned about here. For the first project with the cat, you learned about to say. You know what it means? If you didn't want to say hello or imagine it, you can still say like anything else to make conversation. So this word block is in looks and this means say. It means like to say hello for 2 seconds. If you didn't want to say 2 seconds, you can still do 3 seconds or 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 or 100 seconds. Okay, so yeah, this is what you learn about here. If you didn't want to still say like hello or imagine it, that's okay because you can still say. I just want to make sure that you understand the block. Next one is say hello in here. You might be wondering their block are same. Yeah, they both are both the same, but this one you can do the seconds. I most like this one because I can do the second, but this one is no seconds. Okay, so yeah, this is what you learn, what new thing you learn in project number 1. This is project number 2, the butterfly. So let's add the code first, and then I can explain about what you learned again. So we're gonna go to events and get one space key pressed, and we're gonna what sound we got? We got pop sound. So let's add the sound, pop sound, start sound pop, and then we're gonna glide it. You know what it means? If you don't know what it means, glide, you will learn later. Glide 1 second to run the position. I think it'll be good because I didn't want to make so long, but I'm trying to use most of the blocks in here. So let's see how it works. If it's not working, we're gonna do it again. But I'm trying my best. Oh, actually, I need to press the space key. Oh, I can actually press like for so many times because, like, if you want to make the blue, you can still like 1 second to do. That's okay. Let's do it back again. So, time to explain what you think you learned about. So, you learn about using one space key press. In here also, you learn about how to use one green flag click. Using green flag, you can also learn about in here using space key. If you don't know what space key, look at your computer. You can see space key, which is like when you want to make like a sentence like between them, like when you want to make like, I mean like space key, that is me. If you press a space key, this project will work. Next one, you also learn about so many new things in here because you also learn about how to start sound, how to play sound, and this one is in sound category or sound ballad. In here, you can learn about until done. I'll use it later, block, and I'll also explain that later because this is a little hard thing. But this is start sound pop, then like 1 second to run the position. So start sound pop means you want to play a sound. That means you did it. You also learn about how to play sound. Next one. You also learn about how to glide to run the position. If you didn't know what does glide mean, like you can look back to the butterfly you see. It is a kind of like glide mean like you are like moving and gliding to somewhere. And I put like in random position. But if you didn't want random position, that's okay. Mouse pointer. If I do mouse pointer, I mean like it's gliding to like mouse pointer. You see? Oh, it's not doing that. Oh yeah, because I just do 1 second. But in here, random position is gliding to random position. See? Random position is so cool. So I like that project so much. What do you guys think? I also like that so much. So you can, so in here, what you learn about how to use space key, how to play sound, and you can also learn about how you glide to run the position or anywhere. Because if you don't want to make like mouse pointer or anything, still do it. This means like about X and Y. And I also make a video about X and Y because X and Y is very important as well. Yeah, so next one is time for band. I'll also add the code first and then we can learn about that. But for band, we're going to make a little hard one because I want to make sure that I use a little bit so many blocks, not just easy block, very hard block as well. So next one, we're going to go to events category or ballot and get the one space key press right on, but we're not using the space key this time. We're using the right arrow on your laptop. So next one is, let's go to motion and get change 8 by 10. And then we're going to go to events back and get one space key press in here. We don't want to miss the block. Make sure you don't do that. And here we're gonna do right, so that means we're gonna do left. And then we're gonna go to motion back, and this time we're not doing change x by 10. We're doing change x by negative 10. If you didn't know what is negative, it means minus 10, which should mean opposite as the others. So you're gonna see later. I'll explain about that later. So let's see how it works now. So let's click the right arrow. You can see it's moving to the right. Oh, actually, like you can click the right, left, right. Oh, this one's right, and you can even go to there. It's not stuck in. He is stuck in. Sorry, Ben. Left, right, left. The ball must go into there, but not Ben. Right, left, right, left, right, left, right, left, back. So we're gonna put it in the middle. If I can do that, let's see how it's working. Yeah, I think I did it. Hopefully, but this is not in the center. That's okay. So right now, I'll show you how this project works. Why not? So in here, you learn about two things. You learn how to use right arrow and left arrow. And also, you also learn about how to change X. And also have Y, but we're going to use it later in somewhere and something. I hope I can use it. Maybe we can use it in the hatchet. Maybe we can make like jumping hatchet. Or in the booster. I think hatchet is better. Anyways, we're going to just explain about that right now. You learn about how to use right arrow and left arrow. And then you also learn about how to change X by 10. If you didn't want to make 10, you can still do 9, 7, 4, or 100. Yeah, and this block is in motion. And that means, and time for negative 10. What does negative 10 mean? So negative 10 is simply used for minus 10. Actually, we can call it minus 10, which just means the opposite as the way. Because, so if why is falling? Okay, so if the first one is, if the change X by 10 mean one right arrow key press. Change X by 10 mean right arrow. But if you do negative 10, that means it's going to go to left. X mean right. X by 10 mean right, but X by negative 10 mean left. So this is how it works. Okay, right and left. Remember, 10, just number 10 mean right, but with negative or with minus at the first, that means left. So next one is the hedgehog. So the hedgehog so the hedgehog is, so we already used the X, right? Time for Y. And X and Y, for simply, I just saying about for simply, but if you want to know about more, maybe I can make a video about that. What do you guys think? Comment down below. Yeah, so for X mean when you want to go right and left. Like people go right and left. But Y mean like when the bird or butterfly or anything, that mean is go for Y. What do you guys think? You might be wondering, what do you mean about? So for simply, Y mean flying. Flying. If you want to fly up or down, up or down, up or down, up or down, or up or down, or down or up. Anything else. So today, maybe like one for simply for, or I was like when we jump up and down, yeah, just like it. So right now, I think Hatcho gonna jump up and down. Like when we jump, it's go up, but in a second, it's go back to down. So yeah, we're gonna do this animation now. So I'll also make the video about that later. So for time for the hedgehog, and in here we're gonna go to events first, just in case. And in here we're gonna get, oh, it's not going. One spacey press again, but now. Yeah, I will say you. If you guess this right, that means you are very, very good. So, I mean up first. And in here, remember, when we go to right, that means 10. Just 10, change X by 10, just 10, mean when you want to go to the right. But just change x by, but not 10 this time, negative 10 or minus 10, mean left if you want to go to left. So in here also, I'll explain later about that, but in here also, one up arrow key pressed, that means it go up. But would go up negative or just a number? So if you go to motion, we're going to get change y this time, x and y. X mean when we walk, y mean when we jump, or when the animals like bird or like butterfly fly. I really can't find change y. Where is it? Oh, finally. So change y by 10 first. That means, yeah, when you want to go up, that means is to y by 10, just 10, okay? Events 1, space key press, and then here we're gonna get yeah, you're right, down arrow. And I'm gonna get the motion of change y again, but this time, yeah, negative 10. That means when you want to go down, you have to use negative 10, but when you want to go up, that means you have to use 10. But remember, don't miss change y and x. Change y by 10 means when you want to go up, change y by negative 10 means when you want to go down. And change x by 10 means when you want to go to the right. And change x by negative 10 means when you want to go to the left. So this is what it's about. It's really simple if you know. So we haven't tried this project yet. I missed that. Let's see. But I'm not explaining more because I already, you know. 1, up, down. But 10 might be a little, like, not very up. But if you do like a bird, like hatch, you can jump a little bit. But if you do like for bird, you might make it a little bit, like, more. That means like 11 or 12 or something. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. If you press the up arrow on your laptop, that means up in your keyboard, or I mean like that. Down, up, down arrow means down, up arrow means up, down arrow means down, up arrow means up, down. That's perfect project. So I'm not explaining more about this because I already explained that. So we just left 1, 2, 3, 4. Just 4 left. That's good. That means we already do 3. So next one is actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So that means we already do 4. So that means we just like 4. We do half. So next one is the rooster. And I had no idea about that. Maybe let's go to events first because this is what we do. And maybe get the wondrous sprite clip because we haven't used this for a while. And go, and we already used it in the like animate the meme. And now we're gonna go to looks, ballot, and here we're gonna get switch costume to Rooster C. Let's see how was the costume. It's just the first costume. This is not very nice, so we're going to change it into Rooster B first, I guess. Not A. B first, and then give me A. That's a little bit more better. So next one, we're going to like wait for seconds. Wait for seconds. Not a second, maybe like 0.3 seconds is enough, I guess. 0.3 seconds. Perfect. And get to switch costume to Rooster A. Then wait for. Should we wait? No, maybe. Yeah, I think we should wait a little bit seconds. I don't know. Let's just wait a little bit for 0.3 seconds. Yeah, that's perfect. Let's see how it works. So when this right click, so let's click it. should we play sound? No, we shouldn't. Like, maybe we can learn about the sound later because we already learned so many. But I'll try to use the sound block as well. But I already use it, so that's okay. You see, that's so cool. So in here, you learn about how to switch the costume and how to wait for seconds. And you can also learn about one display click, which is being one display click, something gonna happen. So next one is the art, my favorite one. So I think about something for the art, like to be like the right to the point, and it actually gonna be new for you guys. But this like gonna be not to the random position. It's gonna be to somewhere that you want it to. So let's go to events first. Yeah, one green flag click. Then something gonna happen. Let's go to motion and get like go to X blank blank blank. Here we're gonna get 0 and 0, which is gonna be the middle. Let's see if it goes to the middle. Yeah, this is the middle. Perfect middle. Right? Oh, is that right? Yep. And then the next one, maybe we might repeat it? No. Maybe let's go to and glide for like a second. No, we're gonna glide this time. This one. And you know where place you want it to? You can guess it, but I might go with you can make your own. Maybe 120 for X. And Y gonna be negative 40. Or minus 40. Oh, I actually do like that. Oh my goodness. Negative 40. Perfect, working perfectly. So, I think it's done. Should it? I guess. Let's see how it works then. So let's click the green flag to start it. What you see? What you see? So cool. You can glide it to the point. This is so cool. My goodness. I really love it. It's one of my favorite, I can say. It's one of my favorite, I can say. It is one of my favorite. It is one of my favorite. It's very cool, you see? Yes, and here you can learn about how and the best thing you learn about is clicking the green flag, and then is go to X0 and Y0, which is mean the middle. And you also know about when you want to put it to the middle, you have to do 2, 0, and 0. And in here, glide 1 second to, if you didn't want to do 1 second, 2 or 3 or 100 seconds. So to X 120 Y and negative 40. You can also know about how when you want to do to X and Y. I'm not explaining so many about X and Y. I will make a video. So next one is the drum tabla. I don't really know what is that, but this is gonna be a cool one as well. So this time it's gonna be about the instrument. So we're gonna definitely play the sound. And here we're gonna go to Vince. Get on this for click. Because I want to play like instrument, like we click the green flag. Not the green flag, like the slide. Something gonna happen. Something gonna happen. Something gonna happen. So I'm gonna go to control. Get repeat block. And I'm actually trying to use the forever, but I can't use forever at all. Because I didn't really want to use forever. Because I choose so many sprite, but I don't know what sprite should I use forever. I didn't think so for this video I can use forever, but I just explained about it. So forever mean like when you want to like make it like forever. Mean forever. Forever mean forever. No, forever don't mean forever. Forever mean when you want to make your project to see like forever, that means forever. So like your project will never stop until you press the stop sign. And I'll also explain about it in the name getting started with Scratch. Yeah, I guess so. Or in the how to animate your name video as well. So this is the sprite click. We're gonna repeat it for 10 times. No, it's so long. Maybe 2, because I can wait until 10 times. Let's do it. What is that delete? Oh, I actually press it like basically. You see, actually delete 2. 2 times gonna be enough, and then we're gonna go looks, and I'll also do the set size to 100. Is so small, so maybe 125. And then we're gonna play sound call. What sound we hear? We got Haina Tabla. I don't know. Haina Tabla. Low high ton tabla. Low gen tabla. Low close tabla. I don't know what is these sound, but let's open them. No, that definitely didn't like this song. I actually think this one's getting perfect because I like this song. But this is not that song, so I think this is perfect. So we're gonna play sound. Let's give like for like the perfect sound. Should I do until then? Yeah, I think until then is okay. Because I want to show that spot as well. And let's have that. And in here, we're gonna go to looks palette and get the set, the size back to 100. I think we're done. Let's see how it works. So let's like the green flag. Oh, not this right. This is oh my goodness! I am actually get this happen like this because I can't believe it happened because I'm actually a little bit. This wasn't gonna happen. I just did it anyway, so that's so good. So, you know why I use this one here? Because when I go like, if you watch the tutorial too, I'm the name for I animate the name called Code, and the letter is E, and I actually do it like just doing it small, and I really like that one, so I use this one. It's so cool. I really like it. It's one of my favorite ones. Yeah, I use so many times. Yeah, I used done. So in here you learn about how to click this sprite, and also you learn about the repeat block. That means it repeat for any time. Like if you want to do 100 times, you may repeat for 100 times. And also set the size to 125, which means you want to set the size. And you can even set it to 1000. Oh, so big, giant. In here, you can also learn about how you play the sound to until done, which means like between play sound and play sound until done. Play sound means that you want to play the sound for making the project, but in your play sound till then, you're gonna play until then, and you're gonna work for it late. The next block gonna work later, so just like it, okay? So we learn about it now. So the next one we learn is the last one here is about the average one. And I'm gonna get the events and gonna go to one green flag click, something, one green flag click, one green flag click. And here we're gonna switch the backdrop because we're learning about the switching the backdrop. But before we switch, we will have to choose the backdrop that we wanted to switch. So kind of like exploring like thing, like very good thing. I'm gonna choose the hall. Perfect. And the next backdrop, I'm choosing like true backdrop because colorful city, no. I don't think not colorful city. The colorful city a little bit like old, you know, not too old. I actually don't want that colorful city actually. These are X and Y. What should I choose? Just go for outdoors so we can get a bunch of adventure of outdoors here. How about the metro? Oh, it is like going like up, so we want to make sure that we didn't choose the metro backdrop because it's go up, and I kind of would think about, but maybe don't want to do anymore. So let's do something else that can fit it pretty good. How about the boatward? Make it cool. The boatward. Really perfect. So I'm gonna choose this one. And in here, we're gonna choose like for one to spread something gonna go, but not backward now. So we're gonna go for the night city in the hall. Okay. So here we're gonna go to events and get one green flag click. Something gonna happen. So we're gonna go to looks palette and get switch backdrop to night city with street, and then we're gonna wait for like 2 seconds or 3. I didn't think it's gonna be too good and perfect, so we're gonna wait for 2 seconds. And in here we're gonna switch the backdrop to hall this time, and then we're gonna say something. So here, here in blue, we want to make sure that we say something else. Are we doing to the backdrop? Really? Yeah, we have to do to here. I'm actually like I can't believe I did it to here. So let's do it. Here. Here, look, we're gonna say, let's explore. Let's explore. Let's explore for 2 seconds is okay, I guess. And maybe let's do this one here. Actually, we'll go. Oh, really? Let's explore 2 seconds. Let's explore. Perfect. So I think it's good. Let's see how it works. So we do one green flag. Let's see how it works. It's way too send and say let's explore. Perfect backdrop. I love it. So in here you learned about, we didn't want this one here, how to use green flag, how to switch the backdrop, and it's also in looks. And you can also learn about how to wait for seconds, and not just 2 seconds. You can do like 3 or 1,000 or 100 or 100,000 seconds. And you can also learn about how to say something, not just let's explore. You can learn about how to say anything else. So I hope you like this video. This is the end of this video. I think you will learn about so many things, and I hope that you also learn about so many things. Yeah, and if you haven't subscribed to Learn to Code channel, go and subscribe, hit that like button, also the notification button, so make sure you don't miss any of my videos, just like video like this, and yeah, gonna be cool. And these are all the projects that we made today. And what do you guys think? What is your favorite? So my favorite is the art one, and also this one here. Yeah, I know that. I really love it. And this one, the last one. Yeah, so I hope you like this video, and also comment down below what is your favorite project. All of it's here, and also comment down below if you enjoy it, and I really hope that you learn about like so many blogs, and I try to use so many blogs, but there are so many blogs that I didn't use. So but maybe you can learn about when we make games or other projects, but I think these are the main blocks that we're using, so I think you're gonna be pretty good for later when we make like games or projects. So I hope you like this video. I know this video is so long now, so bye!